been a teacher in GISD for 7 years. Reason I became a teacher, I didn't graduate college as a teacher. I was a finance major, and I honestly never had great teachers growing up. Everybody has that role model teacher that they love. I honestly never felt like a teacher knew my name. So I became a teacher because I wanted to be the teacher that I wanted for my own children and that I wish I had. I think the longer I teach and the more I get to know kids, I enjoy it a lot because I get to see them move on and grow. For instance, one of my favorite classes is about to graduate. And I'm going to the graduation. I'm really excited about it. And I love, remember I said I email you back? If anybody ever emails me, I always email back. And I'm getting a lot of emails from kids, and I love it. I love staying in touch. And so the longer I teach, the more kids I know, and the more fun it is for me, especially watching them go to high school and grow. Vocabulary. They have a lot of new vocabulary. I won't go over it, but lots of vocabulary. I think a lot of it is, I like to teach them strategies, believing in themselves. I do think the board work that I started doing that very first year I had to do helped a lot, getting them engaged. And it makes me happy when I have a kid saying, my favorite class is not math, I hate math, but your class is my favorite. So if they can come and enjoy being in my class, they don't have to like math, but that to me, that makes a difference, I think. I hope my students will take away a lot of it life lessons. I do a lot of Mrs. Patrick and her life lessons and what we do and what's going to help you be a better person, be kind, be humble, no Katie Conways, right? That kind of thing. Be a good person, preparation, and like what they're doing today. If you understand what's being asked of you, I think you can rise to the occasion and be successful. I really do.